So good morning everybody. Today we will be doing the unboxing of the Maisto Special Edition Ferrari 48 GTB that you can currently buy at any Costco for about $20 Canadian or $12 US. So it's a licensed product, as you can see. So with the help of my kid here, we will do the unboxing of it.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais, papa?
J'ouvre la boîte.
Oh,
Sans la briser. Hein?
moi aussi, je suis dans la voiture.
Ok. Tiens le tournevis. Hold a screwdriver. Okay, so
Moi, je suis la vis.
piece of cardboard here. So we remove the card.
Moi, je suis la vis.
Yes, so we have the 48 GTB from Maisto. Red.
Tu m'as donné ta
Rosso
voiture.
Corsa.
Pour ça, ta voiture.
Yes. Okay. So give me the screwdriver. No.
Moi, je suis la vis.
Hey. Shh. Give me the box. No. Give me the box.
Regardez la
We
voiture.
remove
Des fois, ta
two
voiture.
screws.
Non,
Push
non.
pas.
J'ai la voiture.
Okay. Don't scream.
C'est de voiture.
There you go. Nice car. So, as you can see, the door opens. You can maybe see the interior here. No. Okay. The hood opens. There's pas de moteur. There's no engine, kid. Engine is in the back. Right there. Ouais. So,
La moteur est là,
mais oui, le moteur est en arrière. The engine is in the back. So,
la moteur
there you have it.
it.
The unboxing of the Maisto Ferrari 488 GTB. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos. Bye-bye.